Sacagawea dollar bearing the date 2000 was inserted into boxes of Cheerios cereal in early 2000s as a part of US Mint promotion to raise awareness about the new so-called golden dollar. A total of 10 million boxes of Cheerios in the promotion, all of which included a newly struck 2000 Lincoln cent. Luckily, 5,500 boxes also contain Sacagawea dollar, which was later discovered to have been struck from a different set of master dies, the regular Sacagawea dollars. They can be distinguished from standard Sacagawea dollar by enhanced eagle tail feathers on reverse. These rare coins later were dubbed as Cheerios dollars and become super valuable collector's items. Welcome back to COİN. Today we are talking about extremely valuable and highly sought after Sacagawea dollars. For getting daily updates on coin prices, please hit subscribe and bell buttons down below. Let's get rolling. This is beautifully preserved example of so-called Cheerios dollar, among the finest pieces certified and conditionally scarce as such. Grade at mint stage 68 by PCGS, contains 77% copper, 12% zinc, 7% manganese, and 4% nickel. The fine detailing on the eagle's tail feathers distinguished this piece from the common circulation coins issued in 2000. This piece was among the coins distributed in box of Cheerios breakfast cereal as a promotional giveaway. It was sold for $15,000 on January 22, 2021 at Heritage Auctions. Sacagawea dollars with errors make big money as well. 62,000p SAC dollars struck on a Susan B. Anthony Planchet. Grade as EU 58 by ANEX. This is considered transitional error. Apparently, a clad Susan B. Anthony $1 Planchet from 1999 P issue was retained in a storage hopper, producing this error after the changeover to the first year Sacagawea design in the year 2000. Lightly circulated with a few contact marks. The ANEX clear view holder allows easy viewing on the clad layer on the edge. It was sold for $10,925 in 2008, also at Heritage Auctions. Here is 2000 peak Sacagawea dollar struck on a quarter planchet, struck in a collar and perfectly preserved with frosty silver luster and sharp devices. Eye appeal is exceptional. The quarter planchet is neatly large as a dollar dice, resulting in partially defined rim with a tapered slope down into the field around each circumference. Wrong planchet errors rarely looks this perfect. Sold on April 15th, 2021 for $7,800.